try to hide under that baggy sweatshirt. Refuse to look down at your thighs. You blame it on last night's dessert. I wish you could see you the way that I see you. I will never understand the things that you say to yourself every day. I just want you to be comfortable in your own skin. Why are you trying to fit in? Is there anybody listening? 'Cause I just wanna scream. Hold up, why do we care so much about what everybody's thinking? Everybody's thinking too much about everyone else. I'm tired of believing that there's something wrong with me. Who cares about what they believe? 'Cause there is nothing wrong with me. But there is nothing wrong with me. Stop, wait a minute, are you telling me that I don't have to stress about what I eat? Who cares if you're size 0 or size 14? It's time we try to love a little more. Stop, wait a minute, don't suck it in. Believe that you are beautiful in your own skin. You are not alone, let's raise our hands and sing. It's time we try to love a little more. I really wanna be comfortable in my own skin. I'm tired of trying to fit in. Is there anybody listening? 'Cause I just wanna scream.